parents and my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, you said your prayers. It is very must that you say your prayers every day before your studies, right? Make it a regular habit to say your prayers and also your national anthem every day. It's time for the video now. Teacher is coming. Come on, wish your teacher good afternoon. All of you together, stand up together and wish your teacher good afternoon. Right? Yes. And what is my name? What is your teacher's name? And what I am teaching you, do you know? Right. You know, no? Yes. My name is Lavina Miss. And I am teaching you English subject. Right? Yes. So do not forget. Right, children? Yes. So, have you done your last lecture's homework? What was your homework of last lectures? Come on, tell me, anybody. Come on, what I had given you on 17th? Tell me what I had given you. I had given you activity. What I had given you? Activity, right? 2 activities I had given you. Right? Cross out the odd man. And which one I had given you? Circle the correct picture, right? Yes. So have you done your homework? You had 3 times each, right? You had 3 times each homework, right? Have you done it? Very good. I have got only few homeworks, children. There are many children who are not doing the online homework. Please kindly complete your homework on time and send it to me, right? Yes. Then what teacher gives you remark on the online homework? Good and very good, right? I give you no? Yes. So now, children, I have completed with the book number 5. And today I am going to start with book number 6. Book number 6. This is our book number 6. Okay? Yes, this is for nursery. We have total 6 books. And I have completed with book number 5. And today I am going to start with book number 6. So today what alphabet we are going to do? Tell me, children, today. We have completed till V. A to V. We have completed till A to V. And what is the next alphabet after V? Can anybody tell me? Come on. Does anybody knows what comes after V? Come on, tell me. We'll say the alphabets, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, right? After what comes after V? W. What comes after V? W. So today we are going to do W. What we are going to do today? W. Yes. Kindly open your book number 6, all the children. Come on, open your book number 6. Your red and blue line book, your pencil, your eraser, and you start with your writing. Okay? Yes. So kindly open your book number 6 to page number 4. Book number 6 to page number 4. 4 and 5. Okay? Yes. Page number 6. Book number 6, page number 4 and 5. So today we are going to do W. Okay? W. W for well. This is what? Well. You know what is this well, children? Where can you see well nowadays? Do you see well in Mumbai? No. Do you see Mumbai in Nalasopara? Well in Nalasopara? No. There are no wells in Nalasopara. Where can you see then wells? In your native place. आपके गांव में आपको वेल दिखाई देगा, राइट? हम क्या करते हैं वेल से? हम पानी निकालते हैं, राइट? वेल में पानी जमा होता है, हम उसमें से पानी हमारे लिए रोज का काम करने के लिए हम पानी निकालते हैं, राइट? वेल से, राइट? और वेल में पानी कहाँ से आता है? वेल में पानी कहाँ से आता है? जब बारिश होती है वो पानी उस वेल में जमा होता है, राइट? यस, वी ड्रॉ व्हाट डू वी ड्रॉ? वी ड्रॉ वाटर फ्रॉम द वेल. हम क्या करते हैं? वेल से पानी निकालते हैं, बराबर? यस, दिस इज watch. This is watch. We often wear watch in our wrist. This is wrist. Okay? We often wear watch in our wrist. ये पार्ट जो होता है ये wrist होता है. ये wrist होता है. यहाँ पे हम watch पहनते हैं. हम क्या पहनते हैं? Watch. This is watermelon. This is watermelon. This is a type of a fruit. It has many seeds in it. बहुत सारी बी रहती है वाटरमेलन में. आपको निकालते निकालते आप थक जाओगे, इतने बी रहते हैं. बराबर. वाटरमेलन में बहुत सारे सीड्स रहते हैं. दिस इज वाटरमेलन. और वाटरमेलन कभी मिलता है हमको? अभी ये मौसम में भी है, विंटर सीजन में भी था, अभी भी है. वाटरमेलन यू कैन ईट. ओके, इट्स अ फ्रूट. पेज नंबर 5. वुल. W फॉर वुल. वुल हम स्वेटर बुनते हैं, राइट. हमारी मम्मी हमको हमारे लिए स्वेटर बुनती है वुल से, सॉक्स बुनती है, कैप्स बुनती है, राइट, वुल से. ओके, सो वो बनाती है, राइट. यस, दिस इज अ वुल. एंड दिस इज वेल. वेल इट्स अ फिश, वाटर फिश. वो कहाँ पे रहती है? पानी में. बड़े सी ओशन में वहाँ पे रहते हैं, वहाँ पे वो वेल रहती है, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ी होती है, उसको बहुत सारा जगह चाहिए, तो वो पॉन्ड में नहीं रहती है. ओके, वो ओशन एंड सी में रहती है. ओके, ओशन एंड सी. सो टुडे वी गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ अल्फाबेट W. ओके, W. सो कैन यू what do you see more for alphabets for W? See here, W. I have brought more pictures for you for W. W. Window. W for window. W for window. Window मतलब हमारी खिड़की. बराबर. हमारी खिड़की जो होती है जहाँ से हमको फ्रेश एयर आता है, तो वो हमारा विंडो होता है. विंडो. विंडो हमारा विंडो. दिस इज वीट. ये वीट है. क्या ये वीट मतलब गेहूँ का आटा. गेहूँ का आटा जो होता है उसको वीट बोलते हैं. गेहूँ जो होता है, मम्मी रोटी बनाती है ना आपके लिए, क्या बनाती है? चपाती बनाती है, रोटी बनाती है, राइट. तो वो वीट होता है, वीट. ये क्या है? वाइट कलर. हमारा तीत कौन से कलर का है? वाइट कलर, राइट. हमारा तीत वाइट कलर का. कौन सा कलर का है? वाइट. ये वर्ल्ड है. दिस इज वर्ल्ड. जो हमारा पूरा वर्ल्ड है, सारे कंट्री जो आते हैं, सारे अलग अलग कंट्री जो इसमें आते हैं, वो उसको वर्ल्ड बोलते हैं. W फॉर वर्ल्ड. W फॉर वर्ल्ड. W फॉर वर्ल्ड. W फॉर वर्ल्ड. ये वर्ल्ड होता है. वाटरमेलन आपको पता है, ये वाटरमेलन है, राइट. दिस इज W. दिस इज W. कैपिटल W and this is small w. So can you start writing now capital W? Okay. So today's date, children, have you opened your notebook? Yeah, open your book number 6 and your red and blue line book, your pencil, your eraser. Today's date is 19th of March. Take a new page in your notebook and write your date, 19th March. 19th March. English teacher has brought you new topic, that is capital alphabet W. Capital alphabet W. And W for what is this, children? Watch. We wear watch on our wrist. So it is W for watch. Okay. So now start writing. Keep your pencil on the red line. Come on. Keep your pencil on the red line and start writing W. Okay. We start with first standing line. Okay. Red line to blue line, and then we go on top, slanting, come down, and then again we go on top. W. It is W for watch, W for well. W for watch, W for well. Okay. Again, keep your pencil on the red line. Come down, straight line. Come down, straight line, red line to blue line. Go slanting up. Come down, again go on top. W. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. Okay, W for watch, right? Yes, W for watch, W for well, W for window, W for wheat. Okay, yes. So come on the next line. On the next line, red line to blue line, come down, go slanting, up, come down again slanting, and then go up. Okay, W for watch. W, slanting line. Okay, can you see me writing? आपको मेरे साथ में ही लिखना है बच्चों. Okay, जैसे मैं लिखती हूँ आपको वैसे लिखना है. और जब भी आप लिखते हो बोल बोल के लिखो. W for watch, W for well. W for watch, W for well. Come on. Straight line, red line to blue line. Go slanting up, come slanting down, and then up. W. Okay? W. W for watch. W for well, W for watch. Come down again, straight line. Go slanting up, come down, go up. W, W for watch. Come down, red line to blue line. Go top, slanting, come down slanting and come straight. W for watch, W for well. W for window. W for world. We have W for world. W for watch, W for world. Come down again. Third line. We are finished with the third line now. And now we go for the fourth line. Come down straight, go slanting, come slanting down and then straight line, W. Come down again, red line to blue line, go slanting, come down, go up, W. W, W for watch, W for watch, W for well, W for watch, W for well, W. Come down straight, red line to blue line, go slanting up, come slanting down, twill the blue line and then go up. W, W for watch, W for well, okay? W for window, W for world, W for watermelon, right? Yes, now we come for the fifth line, straight line, red line to blue line, go on top slanting, come down slanting and then straight up, okay? W. Straight line, go slanting up, come slanting down and up. W. W for watch, W for well. Straight line, go up, slanting, come down slanting and up. W for watch, W for well. Straight line, red line to blue line, go slanting up, go slanting down and up. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. W. Now we have completed with the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, completed with the 5 lines. Now we go to the 6th line now. W. Red line to blue line. Come standing down. Straight line, then go on top slanting, come down slanting and then go up. W. W for watch, W for well. W for watch, W for well. Straight line, red line to blue line, go on top, come down and then up slanting. Okay, straight line on top. W. W for watch, W for well. Okay, straight line, go top, slanting, come down slanting and go straight. Slanting, W. Straight line, slanting line on top, slanting line down and W. This is W. So this is your homework 3 times each. This is your homework 3 times each. Okay, this is your homework 3 times each in your red and blue line book. In your red and blue line book, write 3 times each W. And also you have homework page number 5, book number 6, page number 5, book number 6, page number 5. You have these 2 lines for homework. You have these 2 lines for homework. So you copy fast. I'll come back to you again. So children, have you written W alphabet on your notebook? Yes. Now take a new page and we are going to start the next alphabet today. Letter X. After W what comes? Letter X comes. Okay? Yes. Open your book number 6, to page number 6 and 7. Okay, page number 6 and 7. Now, X. What is the pronouns of X? X. Okay. Yes. What comes first? First also X comes, and last alphabet also X comes. Now in the notebook, textbook, they have shown last ending alphabet X. This is ending sound X. X. Okay. They have showed here ending sound, means alphabet last word. अल्फाबेट का जो लास्ट वर्ड रहता है वो एक्स है. फॉक्स. तो लास्ट वर्ड क्या है इधर? फॉक्स. एक्स. फॉक्स. 6. लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? एक्स. 6. बॉक्स. लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? एक्स. बॉक्स. गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. पेज नंबर 7. वैक्स. वैक्स जो कैंडल रहती है वो वैक्स रहती है, वैक्स से बनी हुई रहती है. तो वैक्स. लास्ट वर्ड, लास्ट एंडिंग वर्ड क्या है? एक्स. मिक्स. हम जो मिक्स करते हैं, हमारा जो भी है खाना पीना, जो भी हम मिक्स करते हैं, स्टर, उसको जब स्टर करते हैं उसको मिक्स करते हैं. तो एक्स. लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? एक्स. तो ये टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या दिया है? एंडिंग वर्ड दिया है. व्हाट इट वाज गिवन? एंडिंग वर्ड एक्स, एंड आई हैव स्टार्टिंग वर्ड एक्स. एक्स फॉर एक्समस ट्री. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X for Xmenia. It's a type of fruit. Okay. Xmenia. Xmenia. And this is X-ray. This is X-ray. This is X-ray. So I have starting word X, and textbook it is giving ending word X. Ending sound X. I have starting sound X. Okay. Yes. So kindly take a new page and start writing X now. So I have given capital X, alphabet X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Right? Yes. So come on, start writing X, capital X. We have to put two slanting lines together. We have to put two slanting lines together. Red line to blue line, and one red line to blue line, slanting X. Okay, slanting X. Put one slanting right side and one left side. X. Okay, X. X. Slanting X. Slanting. Okay, we have slanting now. Slanting. You have to write slanting X. Red line to blue line, slanting. Again red line to blue line, slanting. Red line to blue line. Again red line to blue line, slanting X. Okay. Come to the third line. Third line come. Again put slanting X. Red line to blue line. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Okay. X for X-ray. This is starting sound X. What is ending sound? Box, mix, fox. Right? Yes, this is starting sound. What is starting sound? Xylophone, Xmas tree. Right? X-ray. So we have ending sound X also. We have starting sound X also. So don't get mixed up. X. Don't get mixed up with X. Okay. Yes. Where you can see X, fox, box, mix, fix, that is X comes in the ending. So that is ending sound X. Okay. Ending sound X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Okay. Yes. Slanting. You have to put two slanting lines. One this side and one this side. Okay. One this side. Now we put one this side. This side. Slanting line. Right side. And then comes another side. X. 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 Okay. This is X. Xylophone. X-ray. Then Xmas tree. This is all X. X, and box, fix, mix, all ending sound X. Okay, ending sound. You should not forget ending sound and starting sound. You should not forget ending sound and starting sound. Okay, I have completed with my one page. X letter. You have homework for 3 times. You have homework for 3 times in notebook, and also you have homework page number 6. Page number 6 with letter X, and page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, you have 2 lines. Page number 7 and page number 5. You have homework. Page number 7 and page number 5. You have homework for 2 lines W and X, and you also have homework W and X 3 times each in your red and blue line book. Okay, so you copy fast. I'll come back to you again. Minutes. So my dear children, you have 2 homeworks today. Okay, W and X, both each 3 pages. W 3 times and X 3 times. Okay, so you kindly complete your homework on time and send it to me. So my dear parents and my dear children, stay home, stay safe. I'll come back to you in the next video with a new lecture of English. I love you, amazing. Thank you and goodbye. Take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.